Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering the question, does Questrade have cash accounts? This is a question that I get asked a lot, and I'm happy to finally be able to answer it for you. Before we get into the details, I want to take a moment to talk about what a cash account is. A cash account is simply a bank account that you can use to hold cash. It's a great way to save money or to have a place to put your money when you're not using it. Now that we know what a cash account is, let's get back to the question at hand. Does Questrade have cash accounts? The answer is yes, Questrade does have cash accounts. You can open a cash account with Questrade by going to their website and clicking on the Open an Account button. Once you've clicked on the button, you'll be taken to a page where you can choose the type of account you want to open. Select Cash Account and you'll be on your way to opening a cash account with Questrade. What are the benefits of having a cash account with Questrade? There are a few benefits to having a cash account with Questrade. Free trades. Questrade offers free trades on all stocks, ETFs, and options. This means that you won't have to pay any fees when you buy or sell securities. Low fees. Questrade has low fees overall. This includes account fees, trading fees, and withdrawal fees. Great customer service. Questrade has excellent customer service. You can reach them by phone, email, or chat. Easy to use platform. Questrade's platform is easy to use and navigate. This makes it a great choice for both beginners and experienced investors. What are the drawbacks of having a cash account with Questrade? There are a few drawbacks to having a cash account with Questrade. Limited selection of investment products. Questrade doesn't offer as many investment products as some other brokerages. No physical branches. Questrade doesn't have any physical branches. This means that you'll need to do all of your banking online. Overall, I think that Questrade is a great choice for a cash account. They offer free trades, low fees, and excellent customer service. If you're looking for a cash account that's easy to use and has low fees, I highly recommend Questrade. Additional information. Questrade offers a variety of cash accounts, including checking accounts, savings accounts, and money market accounts. You can earn interest on your cash balances in some of Questrade's cash accounts. Questrade is a member of the Securities Investor Protection Corporation, SIPC. This means that your money is protected up to $500,000 in the event of a brokerage failure. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks again for watching.